Welcome back to my channel. This is Nita's Healing Space. We will be talking on how stress affects your hormones. Have you ever noticed how stress makes everything feel off? Your mood, your sleep, even your skin? When stress takes over, your body goes into survival mode, and that changes how almost every hormone in your system behaves. Here's what happens. The moment your brain senses stress, whether it's a real danger or just constant worry, your hypothalamus sends a signal to your adrenal glands to release cortisol, the main stress hormone. Cortisol gives you energy to fight or flee, but when stress becomes constant, cortisol stays high, and that's where problems begin. Your body starts prioritizing survival over balance. High cortisol suppresses your thyroid hormones, slowing your metabolism. That's why chronic stress can cause weight gain, fatigue, and low energy. It also messes with your reproductive hormones, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, leading to irregular periods, low libido, or mood swings. And because cortisol and insulin work together, long-term stress can make your blood sugar spike, increasing the risk of diabetes over time. Even your sleep hormone, melatonin, is affected, making it harder to fall or stay asleep. The good news? You can reverse most of these effects. Start by slowing down. Deep breathing, prayer, journaling, short walks, and proper rest all help lower cortisol naturally. Eat balanced meals, avoid excess caffeine, and don't skip sleep. Small daily habits can bring your hormones back into harmony. Remember, and peace isn't a luxury, it's medicine. Take care of your mind, and your hormones will take care of you.